Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to exchange dogs for USDT in Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram app and make sure you are logged in. Here at the top, tap the three-line icon. Now, tap on Wallet and your wallet will open up. Here, scroll down a bit. Make sure you have dogs available and ready for the swap. Now tap on Exchange here. You need to change ton to dog, so tap on ton and select dogs in the You Receive section. Since we are exchanging dogs for USDT, don't change this. Now enter the amount of dogs here. You can use max if you want to exchange all of them. When you enter the amount, it will show you the equivalent amount in USDT receive. Since I don't have any amount, that's why it is not showing me here, but in your case it will show here. After entering amount, tap on Review Details, and then you just have to tap on Confirm. And now you have successfully exchanged dogs for USDT. So that's basically how you can exchange dogs for USDT in Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.